Alright, hello boys and girls, moms and dads, welcome to Heroes Modern School Academy. This is 5th grade science and technology, and we are going to be walking through week number 19 part of the curriculum today. So today we're going to be talking specifically about the Earth. The planet we live in right now is called the Earth. We are going to be talking about the shape of the planet, understanding certain planetary bodies that affect our Earth, and have an overview of our solar system. We are going to be talking about that today. Alright, so please go ahead and flip your study note to page number 50. We are going to be trying to memorize certain concepts about the Earth right now. So the planet upon which we live is known as the Earth. And we believe, because we are a biblical homeschooling program, it was created by God. That's based on the book of Genesis. In Genesis chapter 1, God created the heavens and the earth. And the earth happens to be one of those things that God created, even though some other people may not believe that. We believe that. All right. So most people right now currently see the earth as spherical in shape. So think of the earth as a little bit of a round-shaped planet with some flattenings to the top and the bottom of it. So a little bit spherical in shape. It is one of the 8 planets that rotate around the sun. Okay, so you're going to see the sun over here, and all these other planets are rotating around the sun. So where is the Earth? The Earth is going to be the third away from the planet. So the first one is going to be Mercury, and Mercury rotates around the sun following this orbit. Right. The second one is going to be Venus. Venus is going to be rotating around the sun following this orbit. And then the Earth is going to be the third one. It's going to be rotating like this. So the solar system is made of our sun and then 8 other planets, which are going to be Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Prior to 2006, there was another planet that was part of our solar system. It was called Pluto. But ever since our scientists removed it from their classification of planets around our solar system, and for some reason they said it's not going to be part of the solar system anymore. Well, since we're doing this recording in 2022, we have an obligation to state that point as part of the curriculum for the state of Texas. So 8 planets right now, as of 2022: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Alright, the Earth revolves around the sun once every 365 or 366 days. 365 meaning regular calendar years, and 366 days for leap years. And you know what a leap year is? A leap year is going to occur every 4 years. The Earth also has the moon rotating around its axis. So in addition to the Earth revolving around the sun like this in this circuit, the moon is revolving around the Earth as well. It's not shown categorically in this picture, but that is a known scientific fact in the 21st century, that the moon is rotating around the Earth. The moon rotates around the Earth every 28 days, which is going to be approximately about a month. So every month the moon is going to circle around the Earth, and he goes again, he starts it all over again. So those are certain quick facts that you want to remember about the Earth, and you have exercises here to further validate and reinforce that understanding. So your first exercise right now is going to be to draw a picture of our solar system using the space over here. So when you turn to your workbook on page number 51, so go ahead and try to draw yourself a picture of the Earth using the space. So question: which planet did the scientists remove from our solar system in 2006? Well, if you remember what we talked about, that planet is going to be called, wow, Pluto. You got it. All right. Which planet is closest to the sun in our solar system? All right. This one is going to be the closest to the sun, and that's going to be Mercury. Okay, Mercury. All right. Which planet is farthest away from the sun in our solar system? Well, that planet right now is going to be Neptune, and that's going to be this one. Neptune is going to be right after Uranus, so it's going to be Neptune based on this series. And I believe I can put additional context in here so you can remember this. The solar system is made of the sun and 8 other planets as listed below, starting from the closest to the farthest away from the sun. How about that? So do you think that's going to help you to remember? Okay, so let's try to bolden it. So when you see your workbook, you are going to see these planets over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we can bolden this one over here to remind us that Pluto was actually removed from our solar system in 2006 by the science community. All right, so that's what I've got for you today, boys and girls. This is week number 19 of Grade 5 Science. I want to thank you for joining me today. Remember, God cares about you, and so do we. Bye-bye.
I'll be your hero's buddy, and as you study with heroes born,